What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaiah Rios. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am gonna go to the junkyard and pick up another engine, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's do that. So me and the boys picked up the K24, got Tuck Mueller. Now we're about to drive this thing back. Yeah, it does look like they put a hole in the bottom of the oil pan, so that's all right. I just gotta get a new oil pan, but an hour drive back now. Yeah. Should be pretty cake for Tuck here in his trucks. All right, let's get out of here, yo. All right, people, I'm back home from the junkyard. I got the K24 here. Looks pretty good. They said they did a compression test on it and everything was fine. I don't know how honest they're being, but I got the engine. I'm probably gonna throw this right in here. I know I haven't really talked about this car at all. I'm gonna make a separate video talking about it and explaining how I got it and the trade I did for it, but it's in the works. Kswap, here we go. That's all for today. Nice, quick, easy video. Thanks for coming to the channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos if you guys enjoy this sort of thing. I'm done for today. Peace out.
So what are we doing today, Rios?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. Caught the engine here. This is it,
Hey,
dude.
close out right now.
Close out. I don't know if this is going to be close out. Yeah, I might do another video. But
Talk, do you have anything to say to the public?
Buy a motorcycle, it's way more badass.
this weighs the amount of one motorcycle.
How much does that weigh? 500 pounds? Yeah, my bike weighs like 400 pounds. Small engines are better.